Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures have moved to the green after President Joe Biden announced sanctions that would be imposed upon Russia. Currently, the Dow futures are up 0.32%, S&P 500 futures up 0.42%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.74%. Digital personal finance company SOFI Technology has signed an agreement to acquire digital banking platform Technisys in an all-stock deal worth $1.1 billion. The acquisition is expected to close by the second quarter of this year. The CEO of Technisys said that we're confident that together we can offer a best-in-class financial experience for traditional and non-traditional financial service players alike at a greater velocity than ever before. Following the acquisition, Technisys will become an independent subsidiary of SOFI. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 81%. Meta Platforms Facebook will be launching its Reels feature in more than 150 countries. Amid this expansion, they'll also make it easier for creators to earn income from overlay ads on their videos. Reels is part of Meta Platforms' growing content format. Making it available to everyone is a key priority as Facebook seeks to fend off the competition in video content. Making Reels available in more countries comes at a time when people are spending most of their time on Facebook watching videos. In a response to the high video uptake, Meta Platforms announced new ways in which content creators can make money through their Reels feature. Analysts rate the Meta Platforms stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 64%. Power generation products manufacturer Cummins has entered into an agreement to acquire Meritor for $3.7 billion. Cummins' acquisition of Meritor will make it one of the rare companies to provide integrated powertrain solutions across combustion and electric power applications. With the penetration of electric vehicles increasing by the day, Cummins expects that e-axles will be an important integration point within hybrid and electric drivetrains. Thus, with Meritor's expertise within its ranks, Cummins expects to deliver market-leading solutions to global customers in the EV space. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 25%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Overstock, TJX Companies, and Jack in the Box. And in the after hours, we have a big lineup including eBay, Fubo TV, Lemonade, Clover, and Skills. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Lowe's. They came in with results ahead of analyst expectations and raised their future guidance. For their fourth quarter, they reported earnings per share of $1.78, which came in ahead of analyst expectations of $1.72 per share, and this was on revenue of $21.3 billion, again ahead of analyst estimates of $20.8 billion. Their revenue did grow over 5% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts currently rate the Lowe's stock a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 34%. Last night, we heard from TDOC. Their shares declined slightly despite posting better than expected results for their fourth quarter. The company reported a quarterly loss per share of 7 cents, which compared very favorably to a loss of $3.07 reported in the prior year quarter, and came in much narrower than the estimated loss of 56 cents per share. They reported quarterly revenues of $554.2 million, which was up 45% from the previous year. They're rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 72%. We also heard from Virgin Galactic. They reported mixed results, but all eyes were focused on their updated flight pricing. The space stock said it lost $81 million, or 31 cents per share in their fourth quarter, compared with a loss of $104 million or 44 cents per share in the year-ago quarter. Their revenue hit $141,000, up from no revenue a year ago. But everyone was focused on their new ticket prices, starting at $450,000 each with a $150,000 deposit. Analysts currently rate their stock a hold with an average upside of 145%. And we also heard from Krispy Kreme. They came out with mixed results, having their earnings miss estimates by just 1 cent. Their adjusted earnings of 8 cents per share did decline 20% on a year-over-year basis and fell short of analyst expectations of 9 cents per share. Encouragingly, their revenues did jump nearly 14% year-over-year to $370.6 million, exceeding analyst expectations of $362.4 million. The DNUT stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 29%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. All of our biggest gainers this morning are moving in relation to their fourth quarter earnings report, starting off with Mercado Libre. Trading under the ticker MELI, the stock is currently up over 10%. Followed by New Holdings under the ticker NU, their stock is up 8.5%. And Palo Alto Networks under the ticker PANW, their stock is up 7.7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Kodiak Sciences after they failed to meet a mid to late stage study goal of their eye drug. Trading under the ticker KOD, the stock is currently down 69%. They're followed by Rackspace Technology under the ticker RXT. Their stock is currently down nearly 24% following their fourth quarter results. And Vertiv Holdings under the ticker VRT, they're down 23.5% following their fourth quarter results as well. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you back here next time.